Okay, now we are going to see LCM problems. So now first let's discuss about what is LCM. I know you all people say LCM means least common multiple, but why LCM is used? LCM is used to find a common number for two common numbers. For example, x and y are two numbers are there. So what is LCM for both of them? It depends on their nature. Okay, if I say theory like this, you may not understand that, but let's take some examples like 2 and 3. Where can I find 2 and 3 both in a same number? It can be 6, or it can be 12, it can be 18. Okay, among this, 6 will be the least one. I understood that you are saying that this 6, 12, 18 are not necessary. Only 6 is necessary, sir. But the definition of least common multiple says that I have to take the common multiples of 2 and 3. The common multiples of 2 and 3 would be, first of all, let's see the multiples of 2. It will be 4. Other than 2, it will be 4, 6, 8, 10. For 3, it will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, like that. Among these, common multiples are 6, 12 and 18 and so on like that. In that, the least one is 6. This is the way to find LCM. But as I said, why we are finding LCM? We are finding LCM only to know in which number we can see both of these numbers staying together. It will be 6. So let us say whenever I ask, for example, 7 and 8 are there. Okay, let us say for every 7 seconds and other as 8 seconds, one friend can complete a marathon in 7 seconds, the first person, and second person who is running beside him will complete the marathon in 8 seconds, a circle marathon, let us say. Okay, now at what times they will meet together is when you are comparing in a circle marathon. If one person can complete one round, the other person will not complete that round. He will be still 1 second lag from the first person, right? So that means they may not meet together, they may not meet at all if that is in a plain marathon or a straight line marathon. If they are in a circle path, they will meet at some points. At what time they will meet? It is nothing but I am asking where I can find this 7 and 8 in common. Yes, we have to take LCM for 7 and 8. So it will be 56 seconds from the starting point. Okay, so from 56 seconds from the starting point, that means the first person will complete 8 rounds and the second person will complete 7 rounds in those 56 seconds. Then only they will meet together. Okay, so we understood here why to take LCM in the first place. So remember, finding the LCM is not the matter here. Way to find LCM, way to use LCM is the concept. Because in some problems, in place of LCM, some people are finding HCF. Or whenever the question is asking about HCF, the people are finding LCM. That's the problem. Let's see here. 4 bells toll together at 9 AM. They toll after 7, 8, 11 and 12 seconds respectively. How many times will they toll together? Again the next 3 hours. So first of all, let's find at what time they will toll together again. So it is nothing but 7, 8, 11 and 12. This particular toll, these bells has to toll at the same time. So at what time they will toll at the same time again? It's nothing but LCM of 7, 8, 11 and 12. Can I find the LCM of 8 and 12? Yes, exactly. It is 24. So it's nothing but the LCM between 7, 11 and 24. So what is the LCM of 7, 11 and 24 is nothing but multiplication of 7, 11 and 24. First of all, how to find LCM in a case like this? So LCM can be found in two ways. One is a prime factorization method. So if I give a number to you like this, you can prime factorize it at first. So if I write this in a prime factorized form, 24, it will be 2 cubed into 3. Okay, and for the other number, let us say let us take it as 50. Now other problem would be 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Okay, so least common multiple will take the common multiples in both these prime factorized form. So what are they? In both of them, 2 cube is the highest prime factor. Alright, and next 3 power 3 power 1 is the next one, and next is 5. Okay, so it's nothing but the LCM of 24 and 15 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 into 5 power 1. So it is 120. Okay, one form is this, which is very much lengthy. But to skip this thing, we have another method. What is that? Co-prime method. Let us see that. What are co-primes? Co-primes are nothing but prime numbers, right? No, it's not just about prime numbers. First of all, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are nothing but the numbers which doesn't have any other factors other than 1 and itself. For example, if I ask 7, what is that number? You can say that is prime number because it doesn't have any other factors. Then what about 9? 9 is not a prime number, but in this case, I call 7 and 9 as co-primes. Right? So whenever they are co-primes, I can directly multiply them. Co-primes are nothing but relatively they are primes. That means with respect to 7, 9 doesn't have any factors, and with respect to 9, 7 doesn't have any common factors. So that's why they are called as co-primes to each other, relatively primes. Okay, so whenever they are co-primes or relatively prime, you can directly multiply them even though they are not prime numbers. For example, again 15 and can I take 9? No, because 3 is common there. Let us take 64. Okay, so 15 doesn't have any factor common with 64. What are the factors of 64? It is nothing but 2 power 6. And if I write 64 in terms of prime factorization, I can write it as 2 power 6. For 15, it is 3 into 5. 3 into 5 and 2 power 6. So is there anything common here? No, nothing. Then even though they are not prime numbers, I am directly multiplying them so that I'll get the exact value, exact LCM. Okay, so like this we will find LCMs. Now coming here, so we have already found what is LCM of 7, 11 and 24. So it's nothing but 244, 234, 1400. So 24 into 11 will become as 264. Better I'll not go with 11 and 24. I'll multiply 7 and 24 first. Okay, 140 and 168. 168 into 11. It will be easy for me. So 1 and 8. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 plus 6, 7. So it is 8. So 1848 seconds. After every 1848 seconds, the 4 bells toll together. That means 1848 seconds is nothing but, I can write 1848 as 1800 divided by 60. That means it is 30 minutes. Not exactly 30 minutes. 30 minutes 48 seconds will be the LCM. That means in the next 3 hours, how many 30 minutes 48 seconds will be there? If it is 30 minutes exactly, there will be 6 30 minutes. But we are asking 30 minutes 48 seconds. That means there will be less than 6 but more than 5. So it will be 5 only. So in next 3 hours, they will toll 5 times. Okay, let's see the next, not next model, I think the model is going to be repeated here. Yes. Try to solve this question on your own. A red light flashes 3 times per minute and a green light flashes 5 times in 2 minutes at regular intervals. If both lights start flashing at the same time, how many times do they flash together in each hour? So I want you people to solve this type of questions, because we already discussed about this model, and I want you people to solve this and comment the right answer in the section box, in the comment sections. But I am going to give a clue here. So what is the clue? So in the previous problem, in the model which I discussed in the previous to this, the problem, in that we have given at what time each light or each bell tolls together, tolls at one point of time. For example, one is 7 seconds, other is 8 seconds, other is 11 seconds and 12 seconds. That means for one bell, for one tolling, we have given the time. Now here red light flashes 3 times per minute. Okay, that means for one flashing, what time it will take? For a minute, it will take, in a minute it will flash 3 times. That means for every 20 seconds, it will flash 1 time. In the same way, another light, green light, flashes 5 times in 2 minutes. That means how many seconds? It will flash 1 time in 24 seconds. Now you are making everything in the same plane. Now you can take LCM. You cannot take LCM directly for 2 minutes, or 1 minute or 2 minutes, or 3 times or 5 times. You cannot take like that. Okay, so you have to make them as common for same unit. You are considering for one flash, you are taking 20 seconds. You are counting again the time taken for one flash, it is 24 seconds. So I am making the units common here. Then only I can take LCM. So remember that. Okay, now we are going to see the next model. Thank you.